8 lakh people take their lives every year according to the World Health Organization statistics. That makes it one person every 40 seconds. In India, in the year 2019, at least 381 people took their lives daily as per the National Crime Records Bureau data, taking the total number of cases for that year alone to 1,39,123 cases in our country alone. The Meghalaya police website states that 189 people took their lives in 2018. While the reasons for suicides across the world are varied, the impact of the loss of every life is still harrowing. Behind these statistics are real people with real-life challenges and a whole network of factors and causes that push them over the edge. What can we do to prevent the loss of yet another life?
As we observe World Suicide Prevention Day, let us take a serious look at how we can help those who are at risk. It could be you, me, or anyone in our family. Let us learn how we can help keep each other safe. Remember, there is always a way out of our difficulties. Suicide is not one of it.